Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Lifeinvader stock go up. To achieve this, you must play as Franklin and undertake the assassination missions given by Lester. These missions are crucial for manipulating the in-game stock market. Make sure you have completed the main story and accumulated substantial funds before starting, as your investment will directly impact your profit. This strategy is the most reliable method for significant gains. Before you even begin the specific assassination mission, it's vital to invest wisely. Purchase as much beta pharmaceutical stock as possible with all three characters, Franklin, Michael, and Trevor. This is the competitor to Lifeinvader. Do this before starting the hotel assassination mission. This initial investment sets the stage for massive returns once the mission is completed successfully. Don't miss this critical step. Now proceed with the hotel assassination mission as Franklin. This mission directly impacts the stock market. Once you successfully eliminate the target, the stock prices will begin to shift dramatically. Beta pharmaceuticals, which you invested in, will see a significant rise. This is the direct result of your actions and Lester's plan. Pay close attention to the market fluctuations after completing the mission. After completing the mission, monitor the beta pharmaceutical stock. It will peak, often reaching a profit of 50% to 80%. Sell all your beta pharmaceutical stock at its highest point. Then, wait for Lifeinvader's stock to drop significantly, which it will. Once it hits its lowest point, reinvest all your earnings into Lifeinvader for a second wave of profit. This two-step process maximizes your financial gains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.